I'm here at my parents, and when you see me here at my parents with the vehicle and the hood's up, that means I got some stuff to take care of. So at the moment right now, I'm having issues with coil number 3, which is this one. I'm assuming it's coil number 3 because when I took it in to get scanned, it was saying that I'm having a misfire, so I'm assuming it's that. I bought a kit from MCP Euro. Again, this is not a sponsored video, but I figured that, hey, you know, I haven't put anything out in a while because that girl has been sitting like that and because of the welding and yada yada yada. This is my primary vehicle. It's been acting funny and I can't just let it stay like that. So I bought a whole kit from them. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, show that, try to get this done as quickly as possible because of the time as well as the weather. It's 36 degrees outside, but I'm no stranger to working in the cold. Like I said, I got most of this done in the cold. I just want to get this kind of cracking. So let me get my tools, get everything set up, and then I'll be back. See, I took off the cover and take off this torque piece here, the plastic that covers over here to get to that. And these are the coil packs. That one in the far back, which is cylinder number 4, when I had this problem before, they fixed that one. That one was replaced, so I might not change it. This is the problem one that the diagnostic said it was failing, so it says cylinder 3. And like I said, I bought a whole new kit. This valve cover looks disgusting, but it's what it is. And this is similarly what you had to do if you was going to change the valve cover gaskets. You had to take all this stuff off, obviously unbolt some of those other things, move the wires out, lift this out, and then change the gasket and put it back in there. I might have to do that eventually because they did say it was kind of leaking, but right now it's not leaking to the point where I need to do it. And like I said, because of the weather, but because this is a vehicle I need to drive it, I got to get this done. But real quick, so I can go over here. One thing I like about FCP Euro, since they're in Connecticut, not too far from where I'm living, and they sent it to me. So I got brand new coil packs here, right here, and they send me, as well with the kit, spark plugs that's already gapped. So all I gotta do is just put them in there and I'm good to go. So like I said, I'm pressed for time, pressed for light. So I'm just trying to really get this done. And once I start changing them out, I might show it. I'm thinking about changing this one too, seeing that I have 4 new coils. I'd rather have everything the same, even though this is still kind of warranted. Please don't mind the ashy hands. Yeah, so anyway, let me just get going and get this. So I got them all out. I'm thinking I'm just going to leave that because that's still covered under warranty for 2 years. I don't think it's to make a big deal. I'll just keep one of the extra coil packs here just as a safe precaution if one of these fails. And if they're not broke, don't fix it type of thing. Even though these ain't giving me an error, they're going to eventually fail, so I might as well change all of them. So I'm going to change the main culprit, which is number 3, which is right here. I'm going to start with that one first, take that out, check that out, see what it is, and then do the rest of them and then head to the next side before I lose any more daylight. Starting to lose light, but this is the old spark plug. You can focus, so you can see looking pretty foul, dirty, and this is the old coil. I put the new spark plug in. It's inside there already, torqued down the spec. I'm about to put the coil pack on and I'm just going to work my way down. Depending on the speed I get this side done, I'm gonna try to do this side since I already kind of got this thing figured out with just me mainly finding the sockets and everything like that. I really want to try to finish it today. I don't want to have to wait until another day to do it, but all depends on time. Then I'll get it done and see. But that's the progress so far, and I'll catch back up with you guys. So one side is done, all new shiny parts. Like I said, I was gonna change this one. This is the one that the dealership did for me when I had the initial issue way back. I'm not gonna change it. Relatively new. I'm just going to do these 3. I did these 3 already. As you can see, here's one of the other spark plugs. That was in cylinder 1. Like I said, pretty foul. Not as bad as some of the other ones, but everything is nice and shiny and good. I'm going to start and button up this side. Now that I found all the tools, that's the hardest part, finding the tools, getting everything kind of in order. I had an issue finding the proper socket to get the spark plugs out, so that took me a little bit more time. But now that I got it situated, I was able to run through these 3 like within 10 minutes. So I'm gonna get this situated on this side, buttoned up, then I'm gonna go to the other side and do it because you can see it's dark outside and you know, and it's cold. So let me get this going and then I'll come back to you guys at the end. Hopefully everything's all good. The other side is buttoned up. Whoa, let me stop. The passenger side is buttoned up, plastics, everything's done. So now I'm starting on the driver's side. My dad's like, oh, don't complete it. I was like, you know what? I'm just want to get it done, man. I just want to finish it because I don't want to have to come back and do it. The weather's going to get even colder, snowing. Let me get it out the way. So, taking off this shield here, just unbutton everything. Unbolt it. So, now I have to take out these plugs. It should be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, it took me literally like 10 minutes to do the other side because number 3, once I got all my parts here. That's the one thing about working on cars, is having the right tools and having those tools accessible. Because I had to go find a lot of the tools because, you know, my dad and I, we share some tools. Also, I'm not at my home, I'm at my parents' house. So a lot of the tools are where my dad put them, where he last used them, and then I gotta find it, then I gotta get them situated, then I gotta find what works, and next, all out of a garbage. But now, we good. I'm gonna change these 4 here, and hopefully, don't mind the ashy fingers, the car starts, it runs a lot better, because like I said, those spark plugs are really bad, and there's some maintenance that you just gotta get done. So I think this car should really hold its own. I did the oil change a couple of weeks ago. I got the freaking coolant system redone, you know, and that cost me a lot of money. I was gonna fix it myself, but you know, neither here nor there. But this, I can get this done. So anyway, I don't want to keep talking. I'm just gonna get started, and once it's done, it's done. I'm almost done. All 4 of these have been changed to the new coil packs and new spark plugs. All the old ones are here. Like I told you before, I have 1 brand new coil pack and 1 brand new spark plug that I'm just going to hold on to, because I didn't change cylinder number 4 because I already got that done. I want to sound like a broken record. So hopefully once I'm finished buttoning this up, the next clip you're going to either see me crying with joy or crying because the car is not running. But no, this is straightforward. This should be easy. So yeah, again, wish me luck. You know what I'm saying? Pray for me. And let me wrap this up, get out this cold. All right, so this is the video after the video. Car's running well, running fine. Actually, a lot smoother, feels a lot faster. I am a little disappointed because the check engine light's still on, but obviously I forgot that you got to clear the code. Excuse me, clear the code with one of those, you know, code readers. So I'm gonna probably take it to the dealer to do that, because they got to put back on my under shield anyway. And then the other thing I'm disappointed is, as the last part with any kind of work you do when you're working on the car, I was talking to my father, and I had the screw for the vanity shield that goes over the coil packs, and one of the screws fell, and it's dark outside. I can't find it in the grass. I don't know if it's still in the chassis in the car somewhere. Hopefully I can find it another day or get a replacement and replace it. But thumbs up, car's running well, no longer at the misfire, feels a lot more peppier, like I said, and I'm glad, you know what I mean, I was able to save that money by doing it myself. Yeah, I mean, I still have 1 brand new pack and a spark plug, because I just ordered the kit instead of just ordering them individually, but it is what it is. I'll take that. So anyway, thank you guys again for watching. I know I've been really kind of on a hiatus with this channel and the content, because, you know, the E28 been kicking my butt, not as far as like the parts and stuff like that, but as far as getting the welding done, because I don't have a welder. And I do have a welder, but not the right type of welder, and the skill set, and doing the other things like that, and all this other information. So I'm just kind of wait it out. I haven't heard back from my cousin yet either with the parts that I gave him to get rebuilt. So I might have to buy new parts for that, new calipers for the rear, and new axles and stuff like that. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna try to get back on it, man. Once the weather starts to break a little bit more and start to get a little consistent, you know, it doesn't have to be like in the 50s and the 60s, but at least not freezing and not, you know, wet outside. I'm gonna start getting back on the E28 and getting that done. So I want to thank you guys for your support. Happy New Year. God bless you all. I pray that it's a prosperous new year. I pray that everybody stay protected from this coronavirus and these variants, and, you know, all the best. Enjoy, take care, God bless.